Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we made this delicious puff puff from scratch. Let's get right into the video. So I started by sifting some flour into my bowl. I'm using 4 cups of flour. Then I'll go in with my sugar, powdered milk, nutmeg, salt, and yeast. I'll mix everything together. I'll leave a list of all the ingredients used and their measurements in the description below and also in the comment section. Then after that, I'll add in some water. So for the 4 cups of flour, I used 2 cups of water. I'll add the water and then mix everything together until this is well mixed. If you have watched this point and you haven't liked the video, kindly do me a favor by giving this video a like and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. At this point, the batter is well mixed, so cover it and set it aside for about an hour. I'll show you what this looks like after an hour. This is after an hour, so let's now check our batter. As we can see, it has doubled in size, so it's now time for us to fry. I've already placed some oil on fire, so we'll allow the oil to get hot, then we can go ahead and fry our puff puff. As you can see on the screen, we'll scoop some of the batter like so and then we drop it into the hot oil. So after frying it for a while on one side, we'll flip it to the other side. We'll continue this process until this puff puff is evenly fried and it's golden brown. Our puff puff is well fried at this point, so we'll take it out of the oil into our sieve so that the oil from it can drop, and then we'll repeat the same process until we finish frying. This is very simple as you can see. So if you have some flour and the other ingredients, kindly go ahead and give this a try and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. This is our last batch, so I'll simply repeat the same process and then I'll take it out of the oil. And here we have our puff puff looking so yummy. This tasted so delicious, so please let me indicate that the quantity of sugar you add depends on you. So if you want this to be very sweet, you can add more sugar, and if you want it less sweet, you can also add small sugar to it. Let's now go ahead and check our puff puff and see how it looks like. As we can see, the inside is well fried as well, so it's very important to regulate the fire well so that the inside can fry as well. And after taking a bite, it tasted so delicious. I couldn't wait to finish this. Thank you all for watching. While I go and enjoy my puff puff, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. And also let me know if you give this recipe a try in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.